Two popular web hosts battle it out. One big question: which one really delivers? On the left, SiteGround, premium performance and outstanding support for growing sites. And on the right, iPage, super affordable, beginner-friendly hosting aimed at first-time site owners. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Alright, let's map out what we're actually gonna compare today. We've got price, customer support, performance and uptime, ease of use, security and backups, features and flexibility, and global reach. Basically, all the stuff that actually matters before you hand over your credit card. First up, let's talk price, because honestly, who doesn't start with the numbers? So SiteGround's pricing is, well, not the lowest you'll see. It's around $3.99 a month to start, but honestly you get a lot for that. On the other hand, iPage, wow, it's practically the king of bargain hosting, just $1.99 a month to get in, which sounds crazy cheap. But heads up, the renewal prices can, shoot up pretty fast. So if you're looking to spend as little as possible upfront, iPage definitely wins here, but don't ignore those renewals. Let's switch gears to support. Support, the thing you only care about when everything blows up at 2 a.m. SiteGround is kinda famous for this. You get 24/7 live chat, email, and even phone support. And for real, users rave about their response times. But iPage, well, you get your standard channels and a pretty decent help center, but let's be honest, it doesn't quite hit that premium level for speed or expertise. So yeah, if you want support that actually feels like support, SiteGround comes out ahead. Now, performance and uptime, this is where things get interesting. SiteGround has a 99.99% uptime guarantee, impressive, plus it's loaded with speed optimizations. Your site should be zooming unless you're on a starter plan with less storage. iPage promises a solid 99.9% uptime and gives you unlimited storage and bandwidth. But in reality, sites can slow down if you suddenly get a traffic spike. So if you want speed and reliability, SiteGround's your best bet. If you just want lots of space and basic reliability for cheap, iPage is fine. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know SiteGround is literally the one rated cheap WordPress host for 2025, while iPage sits back at 22? Kinda wild, right? And both have been online for over a decade. It's like a legendary hosting matchup. Moving to ease of use, this is a big deal for total beginners, right? SiteGround's platform is pretty sophisticated and great for advanced features, but for someone brand new, it can feel a little overwhelming at first. iPage's dashboard is super simple, streamlined, and basically extremely beginner-friendly. Just one basic plan, all the stuff in one place, you can't really mess it up. So if you want training wheels, iPage scores higher here. Let's check out security and backups. SiteGround's honestly kinda great here. You get daily automated backups, a site firewall, and free SSL, all those little things you need for peace of mind. iPage gives you free SSL too and a basic site lock tool, but their backup and security stuff feels pretty minimal. So again, for serious protection, SiteGround's where it's at. Okay, features and flexibility. This category is fun if you like options. SiteGround packs in shared, cloud, and even dedicated hosting. Daily backups, free SSL, awesome WordPress optimization, it's all pretty slick. Only downside, their cheapest plans do limit some advanced features. iPage is kind of the opposite, unlimited websites and a bunch of basics for one low price plus a free domain the first year. And this is big, no fancy cloud or dedicated hosting and not much control for advanced users. So yeah, SiteGround wins if you're looking to grow and have flexibility. Last but not least, global reach. So SiteGround has multiple server locations and your content gets delivered fast basically anywhere. iPage also has some server locations, but it's not as widely distributed as SiteGround. So if fast worldwide access matters, SiteGround comes out ahead. Pulling back for a second, you can kinda see the overall picture. SiteGround excels in almost every category except for upfront price and beginner friendliness. iPage shines for its super low cost and dead easy setup. So here's my honest take: if keeping your site fast, secure, and up 24/7 is the goal and you want support that actually helps, go SiteGround. It's honestly perfect for anyone who wants to grow, run a business, or just avoid hosting headaches. But hey, if you just want cheap, basic hosting that's easy for total newbies and you're cool without all the bells and whistles, iPage is fine for that. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to follow for more of these real, actionable reviews. You don't want to miss the next rundown.